Hi guys, let me show you how to flip an image in Photopea. There is a few options to do this. So first you go to Image, Transform, and you have options here for example, flip horizontally, vertically, rotate it 180 degrees or 90 degrees upward or downwards. So for example, let's try horizontally. It goes to the left like that, and we can do vertically like that. Also we can do 90 degrees like this. And let me just explain something here. So rotate 180 degrees turns the whole image upside down, while flipping vertically flips it like a reflection in the water. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good night.